Hey guys, it's Angelina. Today we're going to be working on the Supra so we can fix a door sensor problem that we're having. So the first thing that we need to do in order to fix the problem that we're having is we need to take off this part right here. And we're going to be using this small part that we got from Toyota. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to pry this thing off with our screwdriver. Oh. Just gonna. Okay. Next, we're going to have to take out these two torque screws. Oh, so there's a bracket right behind here that you gotta hold on to, or else you'll have to fish it out like how we're trying to do now.
So Toyota, in all his wisdom, when replacing the sensor, this is behind it. And if this falls out, you have to take apart all this, fish it out right there, and then hopefully you could put it back in somehow. It has to go in and be in this orientation right here. But there's nothing to hold it against or anything like that, so you're having to be creative in doing it. I tried double-sided tape, but they ain't working, so just got to be creative for what we do next.
Ooh. Finally. The bracket kept falling in. We had to keep getting it out through right here. Took us like 20 million tries, but we finally got it.
So what's one down, right? One more to go?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, right?
Yes. So the last thing is we have to put the plastic cover right back on, like so. Done. My legs. So the only thing that's missing here is a push tab, so that's how you know it's broken if it doesn't have it. So you see how it has this one right here? That one's good. This one, no bueno. Nuh-uh. So all you have to do is the same exact steps to this side without the frustrations, and then you should be good to go. So the whole thing was pretty frustrating to get finished because after we took off the little torques, our bracket kept falling into Supra somewhere. We had to get like magnets and fish it out. I kept getting bit up by mosquitoes, so don't wear shorts if you're gonna do this, especially in the summertime. Don't do that. Don't, no. But I mean, it's done right and it looks good, so I guess that's a plus to all the downsides. So yep. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully you guys will see me soon again in another video doing another install. Not in the summertime. Don't expect me to do it in the summertime again. I'm like sweaty and everything, but yes, like, subscribe, comment, and all that. So ding. That we need. Oh my god. Here, just like,
You're fine. It's gonna be up.
Yeah. I should say first and then. What do you want me to put? We're gonna be using this part from Toyota. Okay, that was. You see me a second. It was like. Okay, I'm all sweaty.